Hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to Solana. So we have this chart. Yeah, you can see the price of Solana was here between 50 or $60 and zero. Yeah, this was our trend line or channel, and then you can see that the price of Solana breaks here $56 to the top side. So everybody watch this and say, okay, we have here a very good situation that the Solana price is going here to the top side. But the fact is sick. That means um, if you look here more in detail, then you can see that we break the trend line to the top side. Yeah, this was our positive trend line. If you look here, this was our channel, and then you can see we break the channel to the downside. So what happens next? Yeah, why we have here something like that? To understand this, we have to look to Bitcoin price, and you can see we have here something like that. The price is here going to the top side, and we see here a little crash to the downside. Let's look what we have here. Similar situation. This was at 7th of September, 7 or 9 September. We're going here to the downside. 12 was this, and then the price is going here to the top side. So for people who see this, it's very easy. For people who not see this, it's very danger or difficult to understand this. So I think we will go here to the downside, and direction is again $60. Why I think that the price will go here to the downside is relatively easy, because if you look here to this level here, you can see that the price is rising to the top side. Now we break this to the downside and make a retest. And that means the next move is to these levels. So I think we could see that the price fall to 127 or 116. Yeah, that means if you once break to the downside, then we have a next problem. We could see here a retest of this, and this formation here is danger. Look here, we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and that means here negativity to the downside. Yeah. So if you look to the Bitcoin price, you see similar situation. You see that the price is today going uh, 2%, 2.4% to the top side. And such moves to the top side are very dangerous, because they once show you, okay, the price of Bitcoin is going to the top side. What I not agree, because if you look here, we touch this line here one time, two time, and maybe here the third time we're going to 50,000. Okay, no matter, but the trend is looking here to the downside. Yeah, I expect something like that. And for me is, if Bitcoin goes to 38,000, then I don't think that we have the possibility or the power to go to the top side at Solana. Yeah, so I think we have here the last rising of the price. Yeah, and after that, I think we could see a fall. We could see also something like that. The price is going here to this level and pumping to 200. Yeah, to retest this area, because you can see that the channel here is going to the top side. So I think we could see here a short-term rise to 210 or something like that. and then is finished, I think. Let's look. Yeah, I think this is here more realistic, 195, and then the price drops to the downside. Let's look. If you look here near term, you can see the price drops here also $30, and now we have here something like that. It's also clear the price drops here to the downside and makes something like that. So these two possibilities we have here. One possibility is this price is going here to the downside 60. The other possibility is something like that. Here the price is going sideways and move to 195, and after that the price drops in that way. So these two possibilities we have. So the Moon Boys, I don't know what they predict. Maybe they predict here 500, yeah, something like that, or 400. In my eyes, this is not possible because if you look here to the structure, then or understand the structure, then you will recognize that we have here a highly danger um, construct. So I don't think that we have here the possibilities to go here to the top side. Especially if you look this part here from 30th of July, then you can recognize that this move here is only a move um, for the right shoulder. Yeah? That means we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and this is a construct in which we build our right shoulder. And you can see this is highly danger. The price or negative, the price is going here highly to the downside. Look here. Yeah? So I think what happens here is a retest of this, and then the big move to the downside begins, and we will get something like that. Yeah? Especially if you look here to the Bitcoin chart, you can recognize this also with your own eyes, that we see here only a retest. Look here. This is no bull run. If you look here, you see highly dangerous situations. So I would say I see something like that, this is um, short-term positive. So I think we could see, let me check. We could see, let me check, something like that, direction of 50,000. Yeah, and then we will see a negative trend. So I say this again to you. For me, it's no matter if we go to 48,000 or 50,000. The trend is looking to the downside. Have a nice day.